What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. I'm in DA right now, Dara Mart, and I'm actually about to work on this project here. It's going to be a food trailer. The guy actually got a design so him and his wife can start a business, and they got some ideas. He already got one guy coming in here and already started on the electrical and putting some wood in. He got another guy, I believe in McGee, to actually build his frame for the trailer, and they skinned the walls. So as you see, it's a pretty good setup, and we're going to do the walls. We're going to do the electrical sockets, and we're going to do the ceiling and caulk everything up, and then we're going to do the flooring and take it to another stage. So just wanted to give you an update, man. I'm out here networking. I really appreciate the brother for reaching out to me and wanted me to work on it. So I really appreciate that, man. We have to network with our people. And that's one thing that he said. He was like, his wife was like, hey, let's just call him, see what we can do, and see if he can, get it started and make something happen. So that's what we're going to do, family, man. I really appreciate when we reach out to one another, man, because our people, we can get a lot further, man, if we stick together. So that's my goal, to stick together and make a couple things happen. And I'm humbled. And I'm thankful for all the blessings. So I appreciate everybody for hitting me up. I'm new to this area again after 27 years. So hit me up at 870-501-1974. That's 870-501-1974. Hold on.